Addison Gators, it's Mrs. Knobbe here in the beautiful Addison Gardens, getting ready to take a plant scavenger hunt to look for plants that are alike and different. Follow me. Here we are at the cherry trees by the front gardens at Addison. Take a look at how these roots spread out all the way to the edge of the canopy. They definitely are used to support this tree. Here we are at the pear tree in the bus island. Look at all these flowers. Each one of these, if pollinated by a bee, can turn into a pear. We're going to call this a plant with flowers, and we're going to try to find a tree with fruit on it. Here we are at the bus port. I found a holly tree. Look at all these beautiful red berries. Those are actually fruits that birds can eat. Here we are in the back of Addison where we found all kinds of evergreens. These trees actually have needles for leaves. They're long and skinny so they don't dry up and they can survive the cold weather and the dry weather in the winter. Here I am outside the 200 hall, right outside the science lab, where we have this giant rosemary bush. It's an herb and it has leaves with a very strong flavor and smell. You might like to eat it as an herb, but bugs do not, so it helps keep the bugs away because it has such a strong flavor and smell. Here we are right in front of the gym at a beautiful red maple tree. We can see that the leaves have fallen to the ground from last year. They did this in the fall, and tiny, tiny new leaves and flowers are just starting to grow. Leaves like this cannot survive the winter because they would dry out, and that's why these kinds of trees lose their leaves. Ooh, if I was a deer, I would not want to eat a leaf from this plant. It's a rose bush, and as you can see, there are thorns all up and down the stems. The thorns help protect the plant from animals such as deer who would love to eat them. Have you ever really looked at this trellis in the memorial garden? Look at how these vines have grabbed onto the trellis so that they can reach up very high to get the sunshine. If the leaves were down low and shaded, they wouldn't be able to get enough sunshine for the plant. I found a small grass in the front by the parking lot. It has flexible stems so they can bend in the wind, therefore not breaking. So this plant survives very well in an area with strong winds. I hope you've enjoyed taking a walk around Addison, completing your scavenger hunt. If you want to, take your sheet out into your own yard and look for similar plants that we talked about today. Bye Gators, I miss you.